Hello, my friend. My name is Shishiwanma. Here are the express in as word for head speaking activity 1 by the caution topic the most important concept in genetic and genetic experience word. In my opinion, the most important concept we learn is DNA and genes because they contain genetic information that determines of traits and characteristics every living thing has unique genetic code that is passed down from presentation to their offspring through the process of interties. Fuckboy usi din aginians genetic information traits genetic code offspring interties. Activate 2 short presenters topic what is DNA script introduction good morning afternoon everyone today I would like to tell about DNA which stands for deoxyribonucleic acid is often called the plant of life. Key facts structure DNA has subtle dipole helix which looks like a western trailer. Function it contains the instructions needed of an organism to grow, survive, and reproduce. Location is of inside the nucleus of atom every cell in our body, interchangeable interval of DNA from of mother and half from father calcium. The closed DNA is essential because it holds the genetic information that makes us living things unique. Understanding DNA helps us understand how the earth works. Thank you. Activity Railway price scenario student scheme biology teacher dialogue explains certain exams name. I have some question about genetic what the option habit again in chromosome. How do dominant and recessive trait work? Again check in the of the whole world. This is a great question. One gene is small amount of DNA that codes for specific traits while the chromosome is structure made of DNA that contains many genes to translate through hyper often if you have only one copy will surface traits. So if you have two copies, three mutation happens of because the size or change is how our body is functioning. That is all in thank you, my friend.